Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Monday, November 6th, 2017. Alright, here we go. So stocks are higher again, and volatility is plunging. I don't know if you got to see the video that I did just this past Saturday. I did kind of a summation, which I neglected to do on Friday, talking about what I believe is going to happen this week. Two of those things I went over on Saturday was I expect the stock market to climb this week, and I expected volatility to plunge. Those two things are already unfolding here. Look, we know it's not real. This market is, there's almost no words for it, but that does not mean we cannot capitalize on it. Important. Now, the bond market, you know how important that is, and you can watch this in real time on my website, traderschoice.net, right side of the page underneath the chat room. It's at the flat line. It's not doing anything. However, let's put this together real quick. If volatility continues to drop and stocks continue to rise, which I believe they're going to this week, what do you think that means for the bond market? It means cash is going to come out of it seeking to move into the stock market. With regard to the precious metals, I almost don't want to talk about this anymore, because if there's anything that has no price discovery mechanism behind it whatsoever, it is the metals. The powers that be here have taken over the derivatives market and play with it at their whim. Again, how many banks have been caught red-handed in manipulating the price of gold and silver? Meanwhile, nothing, not nothing, but they get like a little meaningless fine. Nothing happens really. Are the investors made whole? Absolutely not. If this were to happen to any publicly traded company where there was direct manipulation like this, what do you think would happen? It's just frankly, it's laughable at the same time, because again, they're going to play their game and we're going to play ours. That's it. The fact that they do this is a big tell. So we know that's what we need to do. World central banks are never going to stop inflating here. You know that. So that means we need to take the opposite side of that trade. It's that simple. That means hold a hard asset moving forward. These are not trades. These are longer term investments. And especially in this environment where there is such in our face manipulation of the derivatives here, it's just, it's frankly too much, people. It really is. All right. So that's what's going on here right now. You got stocks higher. You got volatility. Plunging today. This is a setup right now for more cash to move from bonds, which I want you to watch in real time. As a matter of fact, it's set up so easy. I put the bond market here, and right underneath it, I put the tech sector, so you can actually see what they're doing, one chart on top of the other. Take advantage of this. Speaking of taking advantage of things, in case you don't know this, at the very bottom of my page on traderschoice.net, I put a technical stock analyzer there for you with some very important indicators. It's free, so take advantage of this. I set it up for you. All right. With that said, one last thing. My market wrap-up video that I usually do when the market closes is going to be a little late today. A very dear friend of mine just turned 94 years old. He is a Pearl Harbor survivor, by the way. Sweetest guy you'd ever want to meet. They're having a party for him today, and I have got to attend this. So I am going to get a summation out at the end of the day, and I'm going to try not to let it interfere too much with my timing here, but I really have to attend this little party here for my buddy here. All right, with that said, I will see you later in the day. I'm estimating my post-market wrap-up will be out around maybe 2, 3 o'clock-ish, maybe an hour or two later than usual. I hope you catch that. And we're going to talk about all of this and where it's going. I think we have an idea already. Watch that bond market, people. And again, see it in real time on my website, traderschoice.net. I'll catch you later.